Hello, my name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you a homemade teeth whitening treatment. Cut piece ginger, about the size of your index, the first bend of your finger. Peel ginger. There is a lot of teeth whitening videos on the internet. Nevertheless, I'm gonna show you my special method. So you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of lime juice or lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt or half teaspoon of baking soda instead. After that, grind ginger to puree. Subscribe, like and share. Put grinded ginger in a bowl. Add lime juice or lemon juice. Combine, mix well. Use a lid, cover the bowl, allow it to sit for a minute or two. Now, strain this grinded ginger and lemon juice. Follow my method. Get a clean piece of cloth. Pour the mixture in the middle of the cloth. Fold it. Squeeze the juice out. Strain it to liquid. Do what I'm doing. Squeeze the juice out. So this is what you want. You don't want the fiber in the remedy. You just want the juice. Next, measure and add half teaspoon of baking soda, or you can use salt or sea salt instead. See, look at that. See the acid, all this acid working together? Listen, you hear the acid foaming? That's what you want. Mix well. This is before brush. You take some, put it on a toothbrush and brush your teeth well. Brush your teeth between 5 minutes. The ginger is gonna burn a little, but it's okay. It's gonna make your mouth fresh. This remedy is gonna make your teeth really clean. It's gonna get white, but after a couple routine, it's gonna get really white, as you can see with my teeth. And I am an older person, and I smoke as well, not tobacco, and I smoke weed as well. After the time, rinse mouth properly with fresh water. This remedy is a good mouth freshener. My mouth is extremely fresh right now and my teeth are clean, extremely clean. Truthfully, you should try this remedy yourself. Give us feedback when you do. I know you're gonna see result. My teeth are white. Look, this is after brush. This whitening remedy is awesome. It makes my mouth feel extremely clean. In between my teeth is clean. Cleaner than if I had went to the dentist. Honestly, it's outrageously clean and fresh. I'm sure all the acid in this remedy kills the bacteria in your mouth. It's as if I flossed without flossing. Use this remedy in the morning and at night before bed.